Hey, so if your Trello isn't syncing across your devices, yeah, that can get confusing fast. Maybe updates show on your phone but not on your laptop or the other way around. In this video, I'll walk you through simple fixes to get everything syncing smoothly again. First, make sure all your devices are connected to a stable internet connection. Syncing won't work properly if one device is offline or lagging. Next, refresh Trello on each device. Sometimes, yeah, updates just don't load until you reload the app or browser. Now try logging out and then back in on all devices. This resets your session and often fixes sync issues. If you're using the mobile or desktop app, make sure it's updated. Outdated versions can cause syncing problems. Next, clear cache or app data, especially on mobile. Corrupted data can stop updates from syncing properly. This might sound simple, but yeah, make sure you're logged into the same account on all devices. Different accounts won't sync the same boards. On mobile devices, check if background syncing is restricted. Battery saver modes can stop apps like Trello from updating in real time. And finally, check if Trello's servers are down. If there's a temporary outage, syncing may stop across all devices. So yeah, that's how to fix Trello sync problems across devices. Usually, it's just a small issue that's easy to fix once you go through these steps. If this helped, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.